Hello, welcome back to Space Engine, where we totally don't have any technical difficulties. This should be part 3 of of a series I'm doing, and it. Okay, I guess we're here now. So this should be part 3 of the series, and I was having some technical difficulties earlier, and I had to stop recording because this game's UI decided to not cooperate, and it's still kind of being weird. I don't know why. All of this stuff should be in the middle. Last time it was like I could see like this part of the circle. I don't know if you can see my cursor or not, but I could see like a quarter of the circle was like up here, and I couldn't navigate anywhere, so I decided to give up. But anyway, I was just talking about this object right here. This is one of the strangest objects we've discovered. It's just a giant space finger that visited Earth in around 2017, and apparently it came from a different solar system. It's definitely not aliens, definitely not any extraterrestrial life, definitely not a spaceship, definitely not a solar sail. It's just a giant space finger, or space log, or rock, or whatever you want to call it, floating around. And where's the sun? I want to see how far away it is from the sun. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, whoa. I don't know what's going on with this. Let's see if we can find it. I want to see the orbit of this thing, because it had such a strange orbit. Oh wow, that looks really cool. So I guess it came from outer space. No, it came from somewhere around that region. This would be a really interesting object to read about. Maybe it came from Procyon. It came from that vicinity. That's where it all originated from. They sent a space probe to our solar system. But no, it's definitely not any aliens of any sort, even though there was gas being expelled, and speeding up faster than it should have been. The whole thing is kind of an interesting story. If anyone wants to read up about it, it might make for an interesting tale. Anyway, I'm trying to locate the object again because I lost it. And I found it. Oh, it's literally right here. It was just on the opposite side of the sun. But yeah, this is what we think it looks like. Turn the brightness down. If you asked me, this is definitely a space probe. I wonder how big this is. Information. Distance to center. It's half a kilometer, it seems like. So wait, or no, would that be double it? So it's like a kilometer long? I don't know. Physical. I don't even know how. This is diameters. Oh, maybe it is just half a kilometer. Internal structure. What are icy envelopes? That's how it cores. Yeah, this is all the number stuff, which I don't know. I don't really get into that because I don't really understand a lot of them. I'm just a simple video person. But yeah, this is definitely a super cool object. Oumuamua. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. But as I was saying earlier, we kind of checked out most of the solar system. So today, I was thinking about maybe we'll check out Venus really quick, and then we're gonna go to a different star and see what cool things we can find. Maybe, if we get lucky, we can find a planet with life on it. of advanced life forms, like me. And you. Probably more you than me. I am kind of the opposite of advanced. I am like unadvanced. If anything, I'd probably be considered like a single-celled organism. Anyway, today I'm drinking some coffee. I enjoy drinking coffee. Hopefully I don't die and choke on it like last time, because it's not fun. I'd rather avoid that. Whoa, it's very bright. I'm so sorry. I kind of want to keep the exposure level lower. It feels more realistic this way. Or maybe, what if you're just like wearing sunglasses in space? I think that's what you would see. Space glasses. But if you'd go to like a different star, then it wouldn't be sunglasses anymore. It would be, like, say you went to Cygni. Would it be Cygni glasses, or would it just be star glasses? Or you know what? We'll just keep calling them sunglasses. Kind of makes sense for the purpose of this. But we are going really fast. 2024, 04, 21, 22. So Venus, I guess, spins quite nicely with the rest of these solar systems. Is that the sun? Yeah, that's the sun. What is this? It's just a weird perspective, I believe. There's no... Is there just really close asteroids? Very, very close asteroids to the sun. Oh wow, there are a lot of very close asteroids to the sun. I wasn't even too familiar with this. The average temperature is pretty dang hot. Pretty much everywhere, it's gonna be hot. And I don't need a jacket. Whoa, okay. Let's slow this down. So this object is called Hot Asteroid A10. It was made by direct imaging in the year 2000. So it seems like there are a lot of asteroids close to the sun. The solar system is more alive than we think it is. Also, why is this map not working? This is kind of bothering me. Is this because the sun is really weird? Wow, look at all these asteroids. Saturn has a lot of sub-asteroids. That's the one we're at. Some of these orbits. Icarus. Hot asteroid. Apollo. These are just space rocks, but these are cool space rocks. They're real life space rocks. They exist. They're just rocks in space doing their thing. Warm asteroid Neo. Wait. What are the chances of one of these hitting Earth? And what if we don't know about these? Like this one, for example, was only discovered in 2004. I wonder if there's even a small chance of one of these hitting Earth. That would be kind of a horrifying thought. Anyway, let's check out this one quickly. I think we did Mars already. I want to go faster. This is a pretty large object. The diameter is 413 meters. That's a total area. I mean, it's not perfectly round, but I should give a fair estimate. I think this is just a little too dark. We'll take off the space shades. That's what we're gonna call. We're gonna call them space shades. And look at this. Yeah, that's a pretty scary thing for that to hit her. I want to go to this place. Oh, that's just Venus. We're already there. Why is it purple? Why is everything so purple tonight? Or today? Mercury. Mercury is only 98 Celsius, while Jupiter is much, much hotter. I believe that's due to the atmosphere is very dense there, and it's the greenhouse effect, from what I remember. Because if a planet has no atmosphere, the heat just kind of radiates off it. Kind of like my my smooth brain. Everything just bounces right off it. Mercury almost looks like the moon. I'm curious about one thing though. Mercury is the innermost planet in the solar system. It is also the smallest, and its orbit the most eccentric. It orbits the sun once in about 88 Earth days. That's what I wanted to know. Completing 3 rotations on its axis for every 2 orbits. The planet is named after the Roman god Mercury, the messenger to the gods. So I wonder when they found this. I'm sure it was during, if it was named after a Roman god, it's probably found during Roman times. I wonder if they had just, like, a guy with a telescope looking up at the sky. But then, like, wouldn't you have been looking at the sun? Or maybe when if it's nighttime, you would see the bright side of it. Because, like, that would, like, really hurt your eyes, would it not? If you took a telescope and you looked straight at the sun? I don't think that's a good idea. I don't recommend it. Anyway, this is kind of a mess, as usual. So, I'm thinking we should just hop to a cool star. I think we're gonna go here. We're gonna go to the Antares system, or A Scorpioi, which is a red, luminous, supergiant binary. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, this thing is really far away. Well, hang on. Whoa. Oh, this is a cool place. Looks like there's space clouds all over the place. And this is where Space Engine kind of shines. You could do things like this. Rotate. I think like 1,000 years have just gone by. Maybe we won't do that. Antares B and A. Doesn't seem like there's any planets around these. I don't know if the reason for that is if it just can't support planets. Seems like some stars just can't do it if it's like too big of a star, or yeah, orbits are all weird and stuff. I don't know. But now if that doesn't look like a giant cheese puff, I don't know what does. I'm wondering if in real life this would change. It'd be like going up and down, you know, like kind of like bulging, or kind of like moving, like a big ball of maybe like melted cheese. Am I on? Oh, I'm on the surface of this. I'm not sure if Space Engine simulates that, because this just kind of looks like a rock from here, but there's no way this would be like extremely bright. If I said it, oh god, yeah. Sorry about the flashbang if you're watching this. This is a really large star. Wait, what? It's 315 times our own sun? Excuse me, how's that even possible? Okay, let's get out of here before I have a existential crisis. But anyway, yeah, that's Antares. Let's fly around some of this cloud. Maybe you can find a cool star. Oh, here's one. This is a RS, so RS stands for randomly generated star. 8513-928-7774. Anyway, yeah, this is, so Space Engine sometimes they'll randomly generate stars, or it thinks there should be a star. And this is one of those cases. They'll have their own little planets and star systems and stuff. There's a lot of things that are documented objects that are in this game, and there's just a lot of randomly generated stuff. I think they're both cool. I like the randomly generated stuff, but sometimes you can find interesting things. I'm sorry, this is very bright. But yeah, for example, we can go to this world. This is a warm arid Terra. Again, this is randomly generated, but it does so off of data that it thinks it's right based on mathematics and all that. And here it is, our first extrasolar planet. We are really far away from Earth. I originally wanted to go to a closer neighbor of Earth's, but I just saw a bright star and clicked on it, so I'm sorry. I'm sorry for kind of ruining the logic sequence, but I think this is pretty cool. Check out some of the canyons. Warm, arid Terra. This reminds me of Dune. What if this is where the sandworms live? And the giant sand canyons. I think this would be too hot though. It's mostly just CO2. Oh, this would be like a giant canyon. Whoa! It's way too fast. I'm so sorry. Has a lot of atmosphere. And several moons. This is 1x time, or our time as we perceive it, or as I perceive it. I don't know. Maybe you're a zeta reticulan and you perceive time differently. I'm not sure, but this is what the engine thinks normal perceived time is, 1x, and this is the speed things would go at. But if I accelerate it, you get cool stuff like this. Giant space ball. It's a hot asteroid. MC. Anyway, yeah. This would be a cool place to drive like a moon buggy around. You can go up the hills, down the hills, up the mountain, down the mountain, through the mountain. Kind of like the Grand Canyon. Let's see. If you're regular size, this is what this would look like. This would be a cool place. Very irony. It's very, very ironic because there's iron in the. Actually, I wonder what this is comprised of. Life forms, just me. Life biomes, just me. Composition. Oh, this is for the atmosphere. CO2, 89.3. Physical. Internal structure. This is actually, this goes pretty hard. Like, there's a lot of information that this pulls from, it seems like, and it'll generate objects based on it. Like silicate mantle, 69.4%, and metallic core. So what does it generate planets based off of these random parameters? And it has escape velocity. It even has different gravities. But this is 0.7 times the mass of Earth, so it's pretty Earth-like. The diameter is 0.9 Earths. So it's definitely Earth-like. The only problem is the atmosphere is super hot, and we're close to this pretty big sun right here. This yellow dwarf. Let's check out somewhere else. Maybe this is more like Dune. Like Dune. There's a lot of crazy dunes. I want to check out some of these. Maybe I could do an episode for every star I find. Then this would go on. This would absolutely go on forever. I don't know if I'd want to do that. I'd get bored eventually. Maybe I could come back to it sometime. But anyway, let's check out this world. A warm Eritrea. Sorry about that. I just crashed this into a planet. But we get to check out this world. This is a cool world. It's kind of more or less the same like the other one, except it has funkier patterns. Not too bad. That's some interesting asteroids. Seems pretty standard. Oh, actually, these two asteroids are on different orbits than this one. I wonder if one of these objects was maybe captured? They're all spinning the same way, it seems like. Which is something wise, clockwise. I think clockwise. Or no, counterclockwise. I still have trouble reading a clock sometimes, but don't tell anyone. I don't want anybody to know that. This reminds me of another Star Wars planet, maybe a Ween, Tatooine, but only with one sun. Whoa, clouds! Hello. What is this? Another planet. That's a rather large planet. I think that's actually the one we were just at. Or no, that's a different one because the temperature is different. That's the one we were at. This is a rather large planet. Let's check this one out. Apparently this has oceans on it, but it's yellow. So there's yellow oceans. Or no, it's just a big ball of clouds. This is a 44 atmosphere world. It's comprised of CO2. I don't understand how this is a super oceanic world. There's no, unless the atmosphere is just that dense, and there's water underneath. I think we've gone a little too fast. Let's check this world out. Seems like an interesting place. Just many layers of clouds. So yeah, there is water underneath. It's just covered in a lot of clouds. So much clouds, in fact, it kind of blocks out the light of the sun. Or no, it doesn't. Wow. I think this would be kind of a dark place. I'm not sure if this could sustain life. Just due to all the I want to read about this. -2. Wouldn't this be frozen then? So I guess because of the high pressure, it's liquid water? I don't know. Hydrosphere composition H2O, just water. Freezing / boiling temperature. Oh, so I guess it's a different, because of the pressure, the temperature that it boils and freezes at is different. Or that's what I believe. Bottom composition is ice vi. Bottom pressure, 9,000 atmospheres. I actually started playing Space Engine a while ago. I think 2017, 2016 it was a free program, and I don't think they had nearly as many parameters or options or kind of things to base these planets off of. It was much more simpler back then. Like they had all the randomly generated stuff and all the known objects, all that fun stuff, but it wasn't this complex. I don't think it would tell you, for example, the hydrosphere statistics or atmosphere stuff. But I don't know, my memory's not the best, so what do I know? Daily average temperature. So yeah, I trust that this game is right, and the water would be watery on a world like this. I guess you could call it Water World. And it would just always be cloudy around here. Not sure why you'd want to live on this planet, but if you did, this is what you would see. Well, I like it. I thought it was an interesting planet. Let's check out A4. Maybe we could start naming some of these. I wonder. Edit. Oh. Wow, you can name it. That's rather cool. Oh, this planet doesn't seem that interesting. Just a big old space rock. Whoa, that asteroid is super close. Oh my goodness. Is it gonna hit? Wow. Oh, that kind of hurts my brain. Tempest asteroid. AD1. I wonder if that's it. Yeah, that's it. That is very close to the planet. Also looks like it's reflecting light off of the planet as well. My first thought was, what was this? This looks like Ice Australia, but it's probably just sand from impact. Looks like it has an Aurora Borealis. Also, just on a side note, I finally got to see these things in the year 2024 because they were visible from where they weren't supposed to be, and I thought they were rather cool. I saw green ones and red ones. I didn't see much of the blue ones, however. It's mostly just green and red. It kind of looked like this. This is a scary place. Why are these asteroids so close? I don't know how I feel about this. This is kind of terrifying. Oh my. Could you imagine living? You just every once in a while you just get these asteroids popping out of nowhere and freaking you out. This is horrifying. I would not want to live here. I get a jump scare every morning. Temperate asteroid. That must also be in the orbit of this particular planet. This looks very, very dusty. This reminds me of like dust, but iron dust or rust dust. This would be cool if you threw like a giant meteor in this hole. It would make like a cool cloud. And there would be dust everywhere. Maybe you could make a ring system like that. Whoa, okay, I'm scared. It's very dark. This is kind of amazing. Wow, okay. You know what? This would be a pretty cool place to live. Let's find aliens. I'm glad I named you Cool Planet, Cool Planet. I will remember you forever. What is that? It's a space snake! We're going to it. That's a worm. That's a space worm. We have to check this out. Whoa, what is going on? Why do you have such a long tail? Also, you're really weird. But where's your tail? What? Why are you making such a big trail? I'm gonna name you... Name. Worm. Is it evaporating? I feel kind of bad for it. Climate. Orbit. Climate. Orbit. Climate. I'm kind of too dumb to know why it's doing this. I think it's because of the giant star there. And it's eating away at it slowly due to the radiation. But I can say it has a pretty cool effect. Anyway, I think that might be it for this solar system. There's one more. Oh, there's some gas giants here. I really like gas giants. Frigid Mega Jupiter. I find gas giants kind of get overlooked in Space Engine. It's because they're giant balls of gas, but I find gas giants to be some of the coolest creations that there are. Like, look at this. Saturn is my favorite planet, and close to that are probably the Neptunian planets, Neptune and Uranus. So I really like gas giants. I think they're kind of pretty, cool to look at. They have nice colors, like blue. Blue is a nice color, and a lot of them have rings. It's a mega Jupiter, so this is The size of 10 Jupiters? This is the size of our sun. Wow. Okay. Oh wait, no. 10 sizes of Earth, I think. Or what is this? I don't know what this symbol is. I think it's M plus is Earth's. That would make sense, yeah. So it's 10 times the diameter of Earth. It's not as big as Jupiter, it's smaller than Jupiter. But then why is it a mega Jupiter? Its mass is 12 masses of Jupiter, I guess. I don't know. But I do like how it looks. I like the colors. It's very blue and green. Has some nice hues. Has several asteroids. These definitely are not alien bases. Just a space potato. This looks like kind of like Pac-Man or something. I like this asteroid. He's funny. He looks silly. Seems like we can't see the rings from this plane, so we have to lift up a bit, and there we go. Frigid airless aquaria. We're gonna go to the Aquaria world. Ah, yes, yes. Welcome to the Aquaria world, where we have lots of white dust. Because this planet is made of neon? What? What do you mean it's made of neon? Oh, the atmosphere is made of neon. This is a neon atmosphere, so that means it glows at night. Or it probably doesn't, because I don't know what I'm talking about. But like, that's what I would think if you put like electricity with this, just turn into a neon sign. Oh my god, what is with these very close asteroids? This is I keep thinking that this is gonna be a boring place, but I keep finding cool stuff. Why are planets so cool? They're just like giant space eggs. Hey, look at this. That's not normal. Nothing about this is normal. There's 2 shadows and 2 giant craters. This is very bizarre. And it's moving too. Oh, this is scary. I feel like this is the intro to that one movie with the aliens. What's it called? Arrival? Or the shadows moving across the planet. Bom, 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 bom. Oh, without this happy music, this would be a scary scenario. Oh, there are 2 suns. There's one of them. Where's the other planet? I guess this one's making a shadow as well. Or if you go into the are we in the shadow? Oh, it seems like we are. This is taking a while. What? No, don't go away. I think I did this backwards, but you get the point. More worm trails. I wonder where this one could have gone. Probably hid in this hole. I'm actually curious what causes these. Like, I know it's not worms. It's probably snakes. But no, I know it's not like giant space worms or space snakes or space centipedes or any space insect or creature for that matter. It's like something, it's like sliding asteroids. I'm not sure what causes these bizarre lines. Physical. Icy envelope. Maybe it's the ice. Maybe like the ice makes ice cubes and they slide all over the place. Because ice cubes are slippery. Oh, is there 2 of these shadows? Oh yeah, there is. Are they gonna like intersect? I think they might intersect. No, you're so close. Egg. Line. Every time I spin like that, I think my brain kind of hurts a little bit. And like I feel like I want to spin as well because it feels so unnatural. So sorry if you're actually watching this and you feel dizzy. I don't intend for that to happen, but I'm sorry I have to spin in order to orientate myself. But yeah, that's just one random star system out of very many. We were just there. I could do one more, and then I'm probably gonna end this. What? A sextuple star? Excuse me? I don't know if this is safe for work. Let's go to it. We're gonna go fast. This is a lot of stars. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I don't want to invoke some Holy Spirit. But this is kind of weird. We're going to make this go super fast. There's a lot of spinning happening right now. Also, every second is like a million years. Blue main sequence star. I'm wondering what's spinning around these things. There's more stars spinning around once. This place hurts my brain. I think we need to go somewhere simpler. Let's go to hip. Hip. We're gonna go to this place. It's only 30 light years away. Pretty close distance. Get the Star Trek warp effect. And this place has planets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We are going to go to the green planet because that thing looks really cool. Magma planet. Yep, I was right. This is a swamp world. This is where Yoda's from. It's a mini Neptune. yeah, anyway, space is a pretty cool place. I'm almost thinking if I am going to do a series like this, it'll just be like a super chill series from time to time. Kind of like a place to relax, check out some worlds, do some exploring. Nothing too fancy. I might do some horror games or other things, some more interesting stuff that I find at some point later on. But I don't know. Stay tuned. I'll see how this whole thing goes. I don't really expect too many people to watch this. And yeah, I'm kind of just doing this for fun. Recording some videos, kind of showing off Space Engine to people that might not know about it, that are interested in space stuffs. But I do highly recommend it if you want to get this. I believe it's on Steam, and there's also a free version. Maybe try that instead. But I think it's just very outdated. So yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna get going now. I hope you have a wonderful day. And yeah. See you later, I guess. Bye.